Now welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. And now Obonge Pidgin yannings now what they do for this show. What will they talk today? Now Nigerian football. Those of now when they watch Nigerian football now they miss so because yesterday for Nigeria League, oh boy, no be smart, the ITO Federation Cup final where they play for Asaba. You go remember one time for UEFA Champions League where AC Milan and Liverpool they play. Where AC Milan they win Liverpool 3-0. Liverpool equalize them, come win that Champions League. Now waiting happened yesterday for Asaba where Enugu Rangers and Kano Pillars they play. Kano Pillars been they win 3-0. Some people don't write the verse, they come up for stadium self. Some people don't they tear the Enugu Rangers they see. Oh man, I say Enugu Rangers people verse so 1, 2, 3. They equalize them 3-3. Carry the game, go penalties, come win them 4-2 for penalties. Some people don't they shout, say what a wonderment. Say the kind thing where Enugu Rangers do yesterday. Say not be everything way they happen for football. Some people say they take 50 years before it happen. So those of you when know they watch Nigerian football, make una go the comment section. Tell us why you know they watch Nigerian football. You know say you they miss. And wetin you go like, make them add for Nigerian football. No comment to like, no forget to like, no forget to comment and share this video. Make your friends them see. I'm 60 Seconds with Femi.